Ang init. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is ang init guys oy. Today is anong araw today? Today is Sunday and ka-off ko lang from work and now we are in our tiny house. And yeah, Martin is making pizza. I'm waiting for the pizza to be done so I can eat. I'm so hungry. And sobrang init today guys, and the problem if it's summer, I always got this like pollen allergy. So yung mata ko very very itchy, yung ilong ko, runny nose, ito din masakit, and it's always my problem during summer. I mean, I love summer so much because then you can get out on your house, you can actually sit like this and enjoy. Kaya lang the problem is yung allergy ko talaga sobra, as in full blown pag summer. So wala akong ang tawag niyan, wala akong allergy pill today. I forgot to take it. So, buti na lang may kapitbahay kami dito na tinawagan ni Martin. Meron daw siya and it's actually for kids. Pero medyo effective naman. Medyo hindi na ganun ka-itchy yung mata ko. And yeah, we're just here enjoying.
Perfect pizza.
Oh, pakita ko daw sa inyo yung perfect pizza. Wait lang. Very proud siya sa pizza niya, eh. This is apparently the perfect pizza he made. He's so proud because perfect size, looks yummy. Num num. What is it called, this pizza?
Mine.
No, seriously ba?
Indoya.
Indoya pizza. Bakit wento? Wait lang. So, kain tayo guys. It's ready. Num num. Kami siya dong.
Yeah.
It is a bit spicy.
It's spicy.
And a lot of cheese, and it's like soft tender but also crispy in the down part. Alam nyo ba guys, natatawa talaga ako kay Martin. He's very passionate about making pizza, right? And then he's been making pizza here in this tiny house, and we got neighbors, and he's been sharing it with the neighbors, so they were actually able to taste the pizza. And I mean, all this pizza thing, nobody really taught him how to do it, the dough and everything. He's just searching in YouTube, and then he learned. And then the funny part is that one of our neighbors who got a mother will have a birthday on July 3rd. And then apparently his pizza is so good that they asked Martin if he could attend the birthday, and then he will cater it, like there will be a birthday party and he will be there during the party, and he will just make pizza for everyone. And I think it's fun and it's good because I mean he enjoyed doing it, and if you can earn a little bit from it, like, isn't that so funny? This is just really for fun for him, and then suddenly there's a neighbor who wanna, hey, could you make, and then I'll just pay. So yeah, he will be a pizza man on that birthday. So let's see how it goes. I think he's ready for it. I mean they know that he's not professional. It's just, but he actually make really good pizza. I'm not saying it because he's my husband, but for real, he's making good pizza. So I told him it could be a business for him, like, just for fun in a way. I mean, it's not gonna be like full time, but if there is like events like that, and he could go there and make pizza, good.
It's a little too much dough. I wanted a less dough one. Dough ball of today.
I like it. This is really nice though. I mean,
See, have a look at
it's not
look at this.
overcooked.
Look at this.
Mm.
Hey, all the hair inside.
So meaning, is that good?
Yeah, that's what you want.
Mm.
That's why you strive to get the hair inside.
Uh-huh.
That's why you're so over about it and do it for so many days. And
How many days is this though?
Thursday, made Thursday evening.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 3 days? Mm.
Made it Thursday evening and we eat it Friday evening. And I was supposed to eat it Saturday.
But Friday, was it already good?
Yeah, it's better. It's better now.
Just Monday, huh?
The problem is it has to be out for minimum 2 hours in room temperature. Now it's also too hot. So it doesn't. If this kind of stay for a while outside, it will rise more.
Mm. And that's bad.
More air.
Ah, okay. So the
No,
more
that's
air,
good.
the more
Yeah,
nice.
but the problem is at some point it overtip, and then you cannot. It's very easy to work with because it's cold.
Mm.
But I cannot get it as thin as I wanted. And also, it will contract a little bit.
Okay, but how long can a dough be in the ref until it become bad? Like this is the third day, right? I know Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is the third day. Can it be 5 days?
Yeah. Oh, oh.
And if it's 5 days, no, but I like it.
It can be cotton.
No, just a little. I give me a scissor. Give me a scissor. Cut natin. This is the last piece before he's gonna make one again. Yummy. Mmm. Sarap na. My eyes are so itchy.
Oh, I need a little break. I need some paper.
Yeah. No, I'm crying, huh? I'm crying because it doesn't taste good. No, it's actually just my allergy, or? Huh? Oh. Another pizza. Wait lang. So yummy. Okay. Hello guys, tapos na kaming kumain. It was a very nice dinner, and now si Martin ay nagpunta siyang kapitbahay and he's gonna give a pizza to the neighbor, yung nagbigay ng parang allergy pill sa akin, pero masakit pa rin mata ko guys, sobra as in. So I'm just cleaning up here so fast, and then after that uwi na kami doon sa bahay para makapagpahinga. It's because alam niyo na, trabaho na naman, trabaho. So, yon.